Hello everyone, today we will learn how to implement dark mode in a React application using Tailwind CSS. So let's start by looking at our current application. It's a simple application with a heading, a paragraph and button. This button is supposed to toggle the theme between light and dark mode. Currently it's doing nothing, so we have to add functionality to it. Before doing this, we have to do some changes in our configuration file of Tailwind. So we have to add a property dark mode and set its value to class. Make sure that M is capital in dark mode. Now we will use the useStore hook to save the current theme of our application. So dark, set dark, state and set its value to false, means that it's in light mode. Started. Create a function called toggle theme. This will set dark exclamation on dark. This means whenever the function toggle theme is called, it will change the dark value to true if it was false, false if it was true. So now we will add class and in a body dark. Now we will call this function whenever the button is clicked. Okay. We have done configuration. We have implemented the functionality of a dark mode. Now we have to add the styles for a dark mode. To apply the styles, Tailwind in Tailwind, we have to write dark colon and without spaces write the Tailwind properties like bg black dark colon text, right? Similarly, we will apply styles for a button also. Dark bg white text black. Let's see our application. It's in a light mode. Whenever I click on this button, it changes into a dark mode, light mode, dark mode. We have successfully implemented a dark mode functionality in a React application.